Hey, so we're back. Happy Monday to you. First off, today's an exciting day because we've been waiting on our shipment of resin to come in. So the project we're on with the entire basement, everything like that, we got email confirmation that our resin hit today. So what I want to show you, check this out. This is what $4,000 worth of epoxy resin looks like. So that's it. $4,000 worth of resin sitting there waiting on us. Part of that $4,000 equation is our FX shield, which we have two of. So we just wanted to show you, it's a lot of resin we're getting ready to take on. We've got 4 different projects we're doing. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, 4 different projects we're doing with the epoxy. So we've got 2 bar tops in the basement that we're doing. We've got all the risers going down the staircase that we're doing. And we've got a super cool surprise that we're not going to show anybody until we're done. You'll just have to trust us on that one. Once we're done with it, though, we'll show you what we did to create it and everything like that. But just something off the wall, something cool, and something different is what our goal is with that 4th project. But we got a boatload of epoxy coming up over the next week or 2. We wanted to get you all tuned in on the front side. I know a lot of people that watch us do epoxy and things like that. They're really eager to learn. They want to know all about it, how we go about it, how we get the look we're going after and everything. So this will give you enough time. Anybody that might want to tag along and kind of go through the process with us, we're going to put it all out here for you so that you're able to do this yourself. Outside of that, great day. Can't wait to get started on these projects. Just wanted to give you a heads up video of what was going on. So till the next one, see y'all back real soon.